Defamation comprises statements that harm another's reputation, and different standards must be established by public and private figure plaintiffs. In WFAA-TV Incorporated v. McLemore, we examine the Texas Supreme Court's analysis for determining which standard applied. The Branch Davidians were a small religious group with a considerable collection of illegal weapons. After local news channels in Texas were tipped off about an imminent Bureau of Tobacco and Firearms raid of the group's Mount Carmel compound, journalist John McLemore and his cameraman were dispatched by their station to report live on the scene. There, the Bureau tried to enter a compound building, and a firefight ensued, killing several agents and Branch Davidians, and also wounding 20 agents. McLemore and his cameraman were the only members of the media to follow the agents into the compound and provide live coverage of the failed raid. They also helped transport injured agents off the compound. McLemore's reporting from the firefight was rebroadcast around the globe, and he gave several interviews in which he pridefully discussed his involvement in the incident, noting the risks he heroically endured reporting on scene and helping wounded agents. Media speculation regarding the raid failure followed, as well as reports that some agents thought they were set up by the media present at the incident, particularly because journalists were observed hiding in trees before the agents arrived at the compound. WFAA, a Dallas television network, began to broadcast reports repeating these allegations, along with reports and footage of McLemore at the raid. McLemore sued the network for defamation in trial court, alleging that its reporting on his role in the raid harmed his reputation in the community. Because network evidence established it acted without actual malice, it moved for summary judgment. The court denied the motion, and the appellate court affirmed, concluding that McLemore was a private individual rather than a public figure, and thus only had to show that the network acted negligently to support his defamation claim. The network appealed.